Cooking rice. Start with 4 cups of rice in a large bowl. For sushi, you should use short grain rice. Short grain rice is almost round and has a higher starch content than medium or long grain rice. The extra starch is what makes it so sticky. Cover the rice with cold water and scrub by rubbing your hands together like this. See how the water becomes cloudy? That's because we are washing the talc off of the rice. Drain the water into the sink. You don't have to drain it completely at this step. Cover the rice with cold water again. Do this 3 times until the water stays clear after scrubbing. Here's a secret sushi tip. Now cover the rice with cold water again and allow it to soak for 20 minutes. This starts the absorption process. After 20 minutes, strain all the water from the rice and let it drain in the strainer for a few minutes. Pour the rice into the bowl of the rice cooker. Add exactly 4 cups of water and wipe the bottom of the bowl with a towel. This protects the cooking element and helps your rice cooker last longer. Close the lid, plug in the cooker, and press the cook button. The rice cooker will automatically turn itself off when it's done cooking. Here's another important rice cooking tip. After the rice cooker clicks, allow the rice to sit with the lid closed for an additional 15 minutes so it can blow off excess steam and dry out a bit. This will help the rice absorb the right amount of vinegar in the next step. If the rice sits too long, it'll absorb too much vinegar and become too sticky.